Okay, this is a 2019 Chevy Silverado. So what's really cool about this truck is it's one of our blowout models, so it's got amazing discount on it, but it still qualifies for some of the really great GM programs, which is usually unheard of once you're into the clearance. So this is an LT model, but what's really cool about it is the fact that it has the True North package on it. I just love that. And let's take a look inside. Okay, what I love about inside this crew cab is the stadium seating. So when you're sitting in the back, you're a little bit higher. So even if you have the longer legs, there's just so much more room because the seats are up just a little bit higher, like as if you were in a stadium. Also love this feature, makes things really easy in and out. So the True North package, you got the leather wrapped steering wheel. This feature here, heated steering wheel. Okay, let's take a look at this. Leather seats in a bench. So you don't see this combination very often. So really great for people hauling. So that is very exciting and unique. Here's your home screen. That power lift gate. And the seats heated as well. I definitely love the Chevy cluster. It's so cool to look at. Very sporty. Again, back to the steering wheel, the pass-through, all the modern conveniences you can expect when buying a new vehicle. Also like these options here. Well, thanks for taking a look with me.